As part of discussions, we have seen renewable projects in various countries, including China, Vietnam, Australia. But by far, India has, led the way as far as dollar bond investment is concerned. And as you rightly mentioned, different countries have different structures, different nuances, and hence different concerns that dollar bond investors sort of look at. So from Indian renewable projects perspective, the key concern that we see or we have questions around is the counterparty risk. As Prabaljit also alluded to, the state-owned distribution companies in India have very weak credit profiles. So the payments are, more often than not delayed. And every now and then you would see in press releases that one distribution company or the other is trying to renegotiate the power purchase agreement. So from that perspective, that's a key concern. And again, bringing in Prabaljit's previous point, this is where, again, SOE, likes of NTPCs and SECIs in India are playing role of a facilitator. They are increasingly trying to come up as an intermediary between the developers and the distribution companies to ensure that the payments are, made in time and the payments are not back-to-back linked with whether NTPC or SECI gets money from distribution companies or not. So that's one. You also touched on Vietnam. We don't have any rated transaction there, and that's mainly because from dollar bond investors' perspective, the key risk that they see is essentially the structure of the PPA. The key difference between India and Vietnam is that in Vietnam, you have Vietnam Electricity, which is the monopoly. So you don't have any other avenue to sell your electricity. The developer need to have assurance in terms of termination payment, in terms of the curtailment payment in lieu of curtailment, etc. So all of these liabilities are not passed to Vietnam Electricity in the power purchase agreements. So that's the key concern we see there, because of which arguably we haven't seen any dollar bond issuance from that market.